All right, you guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos and joining me on this craft. You guys, I love how these turned out. Get creative with this. You don't have to use just hemp. I mean, shoot, you can use yarn, you can use t-shirts. There's so many things that you can use, so many shapes you can make. And then I just did these so that I didn't waste any of the the hemp. But I actually like these. I like these. So You guys let me know in the comments which one is your favorite one. These are cute. I love these. 1, or do you like number 2? Now these I add like a little stud in the middle. These are cute. No, but it has that thing on the back. I think I'm gonna end up covering that up with another piece of felt. Or 3, these have the little blingy stud posts, which are super cute. 4, these are big pieces, big little posted studs. Or 5. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.